Hello everybody and welcome to your own YouTube channel, the PaveCraft. I'm Ali Reza Alavi, your instructor, and I'm really interested to start new session on AutoCAD learning. Today we want to talk about car designing by using AutoCAD, and now I want to start my project. As you can see, we start our project by drawing its blue part of our car, and after that we draw its middle and upper part of our car. After that, when I remove the specific locations of its wheels, I will put the wheels in a specific location. Okay, and after that I draw its upper and middle part of our car. After drawing the skeleton of my car, I should make it more beauty to attract more people to attention it. I can do it by using fillet, trim, chamfer, and also array. Okay, let's drawing our favorite car. Drawing doors needs more attention for make it more attractive. So it is necessary to use arc more carefully and use a line for draw some specific element of our classical car. As you can see, we design a classical car in AutoCAD environment within 2 minutes. Please subscribe us and like our video, and also make a comment under this video to make us aware about our future videos and give us feedbacks. Thank you so much. Have a good time. Bye bye.